Let's go camping. So today
with the boys. It's gonna be skits.
We are hiking up to Pinnacle Mountain. It's about a 7-mile hike. We'll be camping, hiking, camping, cooking, all that fun stuff. Let's do it. A little slow. So we're only like 0.1 miles in, but this is already like one of the prettiest trails we've been on. It's so pretty. First South Carolina hike too.
The candy popcorn, it's all different colors.
So it looks like we're headed towards this sort of
we'll end up over there.
area right here. We're gonna walk this way and sort of loop around that way. So
we start foraging.
Found a little field in the middle of nowhere. Got a little tree tumor over here. So we found part of the trail. It's pretty overgrown though, but apparently this leads to the Mount Deci Trail in South Carolina.
They're so cool.
What kind of spider is this?
Orb weaver.
Got a little orb weaver over here. Found a few of these guys. Pretty sweet.
They're my favorite. Used to see them a lot in Wilmington.
So we're about, what do you think, like 2 or 3 miles? Well, we'll say 3 just to be, yeah, we'll just say 3. It's been kind of a steep incline, I'm not gonna lie. It looks like it's kind of flattening out a little bit, but we're thinking we might go up there. I'm not exactly sure where, but like probably that little ledge right there, if you can see it.
If we were in Rowan, it'd be buffeting us off the peak by now. Iffy on whether it was accurate or not.
Thinking about going up there, that little overlook. Gonna probably set up camp there. Whew, almost there. So we just came across a very nice gentleman who said that there was actually a nice campsite up here with a water source and food. So we're gonna check that out. Hopefully we can find some food because that would be good. That's where we're going right there. Super close, probably 10 minutes we should be there. So we're probably gonna check out the lighthouse campsite, 0.2 miles that way. Absolutely sick little cliff right there. I mean, I think we were talking,
This camping site's sick. I can see it.
People definitely like rock climb this because this thing is like 200 feet up. It's actually nuts. I think the plan is we arrived to the campsite. It's pretty solid, honestly. You know, a little fire pit. Found this little baby sleeping mat. But I think what we're gonna do, because the All Trails map says that the actual trail's back that way where we came, and then we just loop back around and get on top of that mountain right there. It's a massive cliff face, so we're gonna try and get water first, loop back, and make it up that way because we would love to camp up there. So made it to the water. Got ourselves a little water filtration system over here. Just pumping up the water. Now we are headed back up the mountain. Honestly, this wouldn't be a bad campsite. There's a fire pit right there. Just got camp. We made it. Yahoo! Ah, man. We just made it to camp. Little primitive setup we got here. We got a little fire pit. Oh, look, it looks like there's already a grill here.
Hell yeah.
Nice.
I have to lean it over here, maybe.
Right now, we're on the hunt for some firewood. telling y'all, don't be sleeping on my 330 Ichiban Samurai saw from Amazon. Best 20 bucks I ever spent. Getting some steak and potatoes prepared for tonight. Chef
Cutting
Logan.
this potato like an idiot.
Oh yeah?
I dented a steel refrigerator with my elbow on accident. Just by going like fucking...
Yeah, we're getting this fire started pretty easily. It's super dry up here. Not much rain, I don't think, so we've been pretty successful with getting a pretty decent fire already. It's on the way, hopefully it doesn't chop them balls off. Woo-wee. Got a nice little pile going. Okay, we got the fire going pretty good. We're gonna set up our tents. I brought a bivy with me, so I'm gonna set that up.
I don't think I've ever even heard like the second line in that song.
Either. Oh, I remember camping in that.
Oh, yeah, speaking of Savannah. Oh, good dude.
I'm trying to meet Sasquatch. Got the bivy all set up. We're rocking and rolling. Nice.
I haven't got cheese to put on the potatoes too.
Probably with salt and pepper down.
We got some Brazilian steakhouse steak seasoning. Gonna lightly season these bad boys. So to go with our steak and potatoes, we're gonna make some Mexican coffee.
I do.
Okay. Look at those. Those look good. I could just eat it right now. Beautiful. Look at that boy. Ooh-wee.
Yeah, well, we still got something in there.
Yeah, I just did it, so.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah.
That was close. Got us some Hawaiian rolls. We're gonna cook up.
Those are the best steak I've had. Check out
Alright.
the coffee real quick. I think it's probably done by now.
Let's check if this is done. No. Let's check if this is done. Look at that.
Not really. Potatoes are still kind of hard, but.
Zucchini is good. They're not completely ready, but that zucchini is really good.
Quality.
So I burned the heck out of those Hawaiian rolls a little bit, but that's all good. I like them toasty. That's looking pretty good though.
Pretty good. And you brought enough knives.
Little campfire steak. Bon appetit. That's pretty good.
More butter.
So, felt a few drops Nothing too crazy, but load some more logs onto this fire.
Yeah. Keep getting offline.
All right, this fire is dying out a little bit. We're gonna let it die, and it's about 9:30 right now. Sure. Honestly, not a very bad hike at all. Like, pretty easy compared to a lot of things we've done. This one was definitely kind of a breeze. Like, there were parts where it was, you know, steep or you know, inclines, but for the most part, pretty simple. Nice little water source, which I liked. Lots of really good firewood, so definitely a great spot. I definitely think I'll be coming back here for sure. Nice spot indeed. There's fortunately not too many stars out, but I was kind of hoping we'd see something, because there's not too much light pollution out here, but a bunch of cloud covers kind of blocking what would be some cool stars. So kind of a bummer, but at least it's not raining. Can't see it right here, but there's a steep drop off, so we're right on top of a cliff right now. I think we're gonna head in for the night because we're super tired. It's about 11, I'd say 11 p.m. So we're gonna head in for the night, wake up tomorrow, and start heading back. So yeah, good night. I just woke up, it's about 10. My bivy held up pretty well, surprisingly. So yeah, I slept terribly, but we're gonna make some breakfast and stuff and get everything packed up and probably head out. Wonderful. We're all packed up, fire's out. We're gonna head down to the watering hole.
Pop down here and then come back up.
Must be the guys we saw yesterday. Got a whole pool down there. Got some oatmeal. Put some cinnamon and dark chocolate in it. Gonna be a good breakfast. Dark chocolate melted right away. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Good. Mm-mm-mm. Had to change out the socks because I got some pretty gnarly blisters right here. If you enjoyed this video, consider dropping a like, subscribe, consider commenting. Let me know your favorite part of the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.